Hi everyone. Today, let's explore existentialism, a powerful philosophy about what it means to be human, in just 2 minutes. At the heart of existentialism is the idea that existence precedes essence. But what does that mean? Simply put, it means we are born first. We exist, and only then do we create who we truly are. Unlike a chair, which has an essence, its purpose and design, humans don't come with a fixed nature or purpose. Instead, we define ourselves through our choices and actions. Philosopher Jean-Paul Sartre famously said, "Man is nothing else but what he makes of himself." We're not born with a predetermined identity. We build it over time by the decisions we make. Existentialism emphasizes freedom, the freedom to choose our path. But with freedom comes responsibility. Every choice shapes who we become, and we must own the consequences. This can feel both liberating and daunting, because there's no one else to blame for our lives. Thinkers like Søren Kierkegaard, Albert Camus, and Sartre explored these ideas, focusing on themes like anxiety, meaning, and authenticity, how to live genuinely in a world without inherent meaning. So, existentialism invites us to face life's uncertainties head-on and create our own meaning. It's about embracing freedom, responsibility, and the ongoing journey of becoming who we are. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more philosophy made simple.